how to change a site language on Wix website builders. So let's select a website, and here now we're gonna have to go to settings. So let's click on settings, and then here we're gonna have to click on or select from general to select language and region. And now here, from here, we can select a different language. Let's say I'll select Romanian, my native language. And now site language, we change the site language. So we also can change the account language from here as well. Yeah, that doesn't have the Romanian language, but that's fine. So from here you can basically change the language. Some actually data actually changed. So anyways, that's where you need to go to change site language on Wix website. I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.